Geron and Associates. Geron Associates is a full-service designer and manufacturer of custom exhibits and displays. Geron has been active in the display business for over 25 years. We occupy a 20,000 square foot plant in Toronto that houses design, manufacturing, and administration. We employ a staff of 35 dedicated and talented employees. Many have been with us for 15 to 20 years. Our plant is a complete production facility, capable of handling any assignment, from large custom exhibits to production runs of point-of-purchase display units. We manufacture in wood, plastic, and steel. We also have complete in-house painting facilities and screen processing capability. Geron creates in a range of product areas: large and small custom exhibits, portable self-contained display units, modular exhibit systems, point-of-purchase display units, and custom showrooms. We would like to take you on a tour of our production areas to show you how Geron can meet your exhibit needs. For the client who requires a custom exhibit, Geron can create a marketing, sales, promotional environment that is tailored to your image and objectives. Whether you need to convert a full exhibit hall into a sales environment, a display that will stand out at a trade show, or a temporary home for Santa Claus, Geron can provide you with a unique and effective solution to your problem. For Miller Sears, a manufacturer of printing presses, Geron created a 30,000 square foot product demonstration and sales environment. The focal point of the room, several massive inflatable rainbows. The exhibit area contained office space and closing rooms, an AV presentation theater, several product graphics display areas, and lounge facilities. The exhibit included a nautical-styled restaurant themed to highlight an upcoming Miller promotion. Extensive use was made of theatrical lighting to highlight the rainbows in various display areas. For Komori, a Japanese manufacturer of printing presses, Geron created a uniquely Japanese environment that included sales offices, a traditional Japanese garden, and product demonstration areas. The overall exhibit provided a place of tranquility in the midst of a busy show. For IBM, Geron created a display to demonstrate the IBM PC at Ontario Place's FuturePod. This audience interactive unit has 3 computer stations. It is designed to withstand a great deal of use with minimal maintenance. Other custom IBM PC displays are installed at Toronto and Vancouver International Airports. All of these units are updated constantly to reflect changes in client message. For Rothman's Craven A Canadian Fashion Designers Show, Geron created a completely portable traveling stage and set. This unit tours across the country and has been engineered for rapid setup and takedown on location. For Cadillac Fairview, Geron created a temporary home for Santa Claus at Fairview Mall. This 3-story high Christmas castle houses animated elves and a conveyor belt to restock Santa's bag with presents. For Mattel, Geron created a 6,000 square foot custom exhibit with offices, lounge facility, product display areas, and specialty display pieces. Theatrical special effects were used extensively to highlight new product introductions. Also for Mattel, Geron took a geodesic dome at the CNE and converted it into a vast children's playground. The dome included various product display areas and a special event presentation area. Video was an important part of the display concept because of client-produced television programming. Traditional AV was used to highlight various products. For Noma, a compact exhibit to display their festive season product line. Electrical capability a must. For Noma Industrial, a booth that contains some attention-getting product demonstrations. For Duracell, a booth that contains both AV and video capability and unique point-of-purchase displays. For General Tire, a simple yet dignified booth to present examples of their product line. For Mitsubishi Motors' new product introduction meeting, Geron created a complete stage set with extensive AV capability, custom graphics, and a dramatic car reveal. For Holiday Inn International's Celebrate Innovation Convention, Geron converted the Toronto Convention Centre into a number of themed presentation areas. The Bath-Teak Theatre introduced hotel owners to a wide range of available layouts. The Kitchen Theatre introduced hotel kitchen innovations. Landscaping was a highlight. Every area of hotel operation was represented in a manner that was visually appealing as well as informationally stimulating.
Our track record shows that we can handle the major exhibits. whether it's someone that's in at a hall, has a center themselves, someone that's putting on a national, international show. We're willing to tackle anything for them.
While custom exhibits are a large part of the Geron story, Geron has not forgotten the client who would prefer to look after their own display needs.
To meet the needs of clients who require a unit that is extremely portable, compact, and cost-effective, Geron created the Self-Pack. The Geron Self-Pack moves easily into position. Once upright and opened, it is ready to display, demonstrate, and sell your product or services. Your own staff can easily set up the Self-Pack. The unit is totally self-contained. Pictures, print, signage, and products are fixed firmly into place. Each Self-Pack is custom designed to meet your specific needs. This particular Self-Pack has many features. Illuminated header signs, backlit transparencies, space for video monitor, VCR storage area, shelving for product, display, counter, and workspace, and locking storage cabinets. The Geron Self-Pack is chosen by leading companies in every field for its unique advantages. The Geron Self-Pack, rapid, portable, compact, and cost-effective.
For those clients who exhibit on an international basis, or who prefer a modular system, Geron designs and constructs with Octanorm. The heart of the Octanorm system is an 8-sided piece of extrusion. This, along with a number of other standardized components, is assembled to achieve a wide range of structures and visual appearances. The inherent strength of the system allows for second-story construction, and setup is rapid. As an Octanorm International service partner, Geron is part of a global network of exhibit companies. Your display can be designed and built here, and then assembled in a number of countries by the local partner. The Octanorm system makes international display problem-free and cost-effective. Geron produces a wide range of point-of-purchase display units. This workhorse of the display industry is custom designed to your needs and can be manufactured in any quantity, from a single unit to a production run of several hundred pieces. Geron also creates in-house showrooms for many of its clients. These range from the more conventional to a recreation of an early Canadian post office for the post office building in Ottawa. And for the client who needs a traveling showroom, a 45-foot trailer with a complete office environment designed to bring the product to the marketplace. Once you have decided that Geron can provide the best solution for your display needs, the work begins.
We try to get to know the client, get to know what his objectives are, what his goals are. We try and get to know what he wants to say, how he wants to present his product, and then we put our expertise in on top of that.
Once we have a clear understanding of your objectives, the design department begins to work.
Our job is to come up with a design that will help to sell the client's product at a trade show.
The design must be aesthetically suited to your image, as well as practical in meeting your objectives. Engineering is an important part of the design process. Provision has to be made for any number of contingencies: AV, transparencies, video, or rapid setup and takedown. Geron has one of the finest design teams in the country, and we feel our work proves it. From design, the project moves into costing. Once budgeted, the entire package is presented for your approval. With approvals, the fabrication process begins. We believe that manufacturing is a team effort. Input from all the craft areas is encouraged and incorporated into the process. All materials are carefully packaged for shipment to the job site. Careful handling can dramatically expand the life of your exhibit. Installation begins on site. Skilled professionals assemble the display and apply any last-minute touches that may be required. Throughout the process, we keep you informed of our progress. A trade show is a stressful event for most clients. Geron will eliminate one major area of concern. Your exhibit will be ready and waiting for you at showtime. You are free to look after the most important function, presenting your message.
I think the enthusiasm that we bring to a project, the experience we bring to a project, the dedication we bring to a project sets us apart. We're very concerned about deadlines. We live within customers' budgets. We care. That's all I can say, basically. We just care.
And at Geron, service is more than a word.
Our whole business is basically service. That's the one claim to fame that I think that we've really excelled in over the years, giving people a service they expect.
From the large to the small and at every step in between, Geron can look after all your display and exhibit needs. We bring together a talented team of professionals. Professionals who care about your concerns and your message. Professionals who will work with you to create an image and environment that will present your best face to your world. Geron. Big enough for the biggest, small enough to care.